To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner. On the next page, navigate to Settings. Swipe up to scroll down. Then under Preferences, select Privacy and Safety. Under the Security section, you will see where you're logged in. Simply tap on it. You will now see a complete list of all devices where your Messenger account is currently logged in. Each session also displays the device type, location, and the last time it was active. If you notice a device you don't recognize, or simply want to log out of a device, tap on that session. Then, tap Log Out at the bottom of the screen. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Log Out. Messenger will immediately sign your account out of that device remotely. This helps keep your Messenger account secure, by allowing you to remotely sign out of devices you no longer use or don't recognize. And that's how you can find every device where you're logged into Messenger and log out remotely.